All right, time now to turn our focus back to the forecast.
First warning, Chief Meteorologist Tony Manalhi back with a look at the weekend and the tropics. Tony.
Yeah, a lot going on. I know folks are just getting home, and I wanted just to pass along the most important piece of information we can do, and that's to let you know that Invest 94 is now potential tropical cyclone 9. There's no change in the intensity or anything like that. Winds are at 35. The reason why this was issued is because this is getting awfully close to the United States, and we're very confident that this will either be a tropical depression or a tropical storm Imelda very shortly, then become a hurricane while passing off towards our east. But why give it this name? So that we can give you a cone and we can give you those advisories. Now, there are tropical storm watches and warnings in the Bahamas, but we're going to spend the time here closer to home. Friday night football, there are some showers and storms out there. Temperatures are all over the place. If it's raining, you're in the 70s. If it's not raining, you're still in the low 90s. That's a la the I-4 corridor there. And we've got some pretty potent storms right now pushing through Flagler Beach, approaching Ormond by the Sea, Ormond Beach, Daytona Beach, quick 1-2 punch here. And the rainfall rates today, I've got to tell you, incredibly impressive. We had 4.5 inches of rain up in Marion County with the first flood advisory, and we've had close to 3 inches in parts there of Flagler County. So these storms today are putting down some very, very heavy rain in a very short period of time. There's Sam Sula over towards New Smyrna Beach, a couple showers there. You can see the outflow from earlier storms pressing off towards the east and helping to develop some more showers and storms. So we'll watch that for Titusville a little bit later on. Melbourne down towards Grant, Palm Bay, Valcaria, Mico, Barefoot Bay. We've had a couple showers in and around your area. All of this will push off the coast now, we do believe, by the time we get to the 9 o'clock hour. So football games on the eastern side of the peninsula may have some issues with some rain and a little bit of thunder and lightning, especially in Brevard County. But otherwise, I think most of the games are going to be in good shape. The front. We've been talking about this like crazy all week. Will it be enough to keep these storms off the coast far enough and safely away? The answer is probably yes, but there's going to be some fringe effects on the western side here of Imelda. That's going to mean some gusty winds and some squalls from time to time, and those heavier rain bands that will scrape east of I-95 as we head into the weekend. Otherwise, the interior, I think we're going to be warm and humid. The temperatures are going to be running in the lower 90s on Saturday and falling back into the 80s on Sunday. A little rain gets in earlier up to the north. That'll keep the temperatures in the mid-80s. We now have our third major hurricane, Umberto, really cranking up tonight. And then look at the massive showers and storms here in association with potential tropical cyclone 9. That's why we have tropical storm watches and warnings for the Bahamas. And then later on, I wouldn't be surprised if those are extended up towards Georgia, south, and potentially even North Carolina. The yellow is the latest tropical model consensus, and it's kind of pushed back a little bit to the east by about 30 to 40 miles with the afternoon runs. Wave action beginning to pick up near both of these particular features here, and that means the surf is going to grow here along the coast late Sunday night. More specifically, though, into Sunday and Monday. We've bumped up the rainfall chances with the latest models, and we've crept up a little bit more in the winds, 10 to 20 sustained, 30 to 40 in any gusts that were to approach the coast there as we head into Sunday night, Monday. And speaking of Sunday night, Monday, wave action really picking up and staying with us as we get you on into Tuesday afternoon. Real quickly, here's Umberto, again, a major hurricane that is going to scrape just to the north and west of Bermuda as we head into the weekend. Let me show you the updated 7-day forecast. We're keeping an eye on the tropics for late Sunday on into Monday. Behind it, Tuesday and Wednesday, we have some fantastic weather, lower humidity, still warm, but you're going to notice a nice change. And then here comes the moisture, the showers and storms by Thursday and Friday.